Okay, everybody, this is a video on how to combine multiple PDFs into the same PDF file. I've been getting some questions about people having pieces of PDFs that they want to put into one, maybe to create an assignment or a resource for a student. And also, some people want to, instead of submitting a bunch of files for print in PDF format, they want to just make it easier on those printing and create one large PDF. I do want to make a disclaimer on that, that you need to make sure that you watch the size of the PDF file that you are submitting. Some bandwidths can get maxed out in a PDF if it's too large, and it could be difficult for the students either to view it or the person printing it to open it to print it. So you don't want to get them too overly big. So what you want to do to start this process is something called PDF Mergy. And I want to show you something real quick about this. If you Google PDF Mergy, we're not going off to the Chrome store for this. We will in a second. But I do want to show you that this is what's called an application in Chrome. And basically what it is if I go to the Chrome store, I can add it to Chrome and it will add as an app. And there it is, okay? I do want to go back, though, to the original search results, and I want to just show you the top search, which is the website for it. And if you notice the layout here, it is basically what you're going to get from the app. The app is a shortcut to take you off to the website. So, you can add it as an application. But you can also just use this website that I will put in the email as well. And, you can use it like that. This is pretty simple to use. We'll close one of these out. We'll just use this one. You can select files from your computer. You can select files from your Google Drive. I typically have things uploaded to my Google Drive, so I'm going to select that option. Obviously, select the file or from the folder. And I want to select where I go to some PDFs. Here we have them. And I can select, if you hold Control on your keyboard, if you are on a PC or a Chromebook, you can select multiple PDFs. You see how all those are highlighting at the same, and if you get one that's wrong, you just hit it again while you're still holding Control and it'll unhighlight it. You basically hold Control the whole way through. If you're on a Mac, this is Command, but if it's a PC Chromebook, it is Control. And you can go ahead and see, I don't want this one here, so we'll get rid of that one, and I do want this one here. So we can bring those in, and it lists them out. The nice part about this is that you can actually reorder it right here to what you want it to be in the PDF. So if I want to bring this up to the top, this one would be last, and that actually would be my correct order for this document. Then I just come over here and click merge. It'll go ahead and merge the files. And again, this, depending on how many PDFs you are merging, it's going to tell you how long it's going to take to do that. It says your merged PDF is ready. I can either download that thing or I can save it to my Google Drive. I like to save things to my Google Drive, so I can go ahead and title it, hit OK, and that thing is actually then off to my Google Drive. I go there, and I can find my test PDF. Oops, not listed in a folder, but rather just in the list of documents in the drive. And there you have it. Everything is in the order that I put it in. It's in one PDF file, and you can do as you choose with this file. You can assign it out to students. Again, do watch how large you make these as they get, if they have the more data, the larger the file. So you just want to make sure that you're not exceeding, I would say roughly maybe 80 megabytes. I wouldn't go too large on it. But it's all up to you and seeing how, what works. But for putting them in for copying purposes as well, this could be something very helpful just to get it down to one job instead of 6 or 7 different PDFs. So I hope this helps. Thank you for those that asked about this, and continue to ask questions because I will continue to seek answers.